Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. There's a new airdrop that came out and it's called Mitosis Testnet. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to participate in this airdrop. You're lucky to have this tutorial coming to you today because you'll be among the first people that will be participating in this airdrop. So let's get started. The first step is to request for a faucet. So you visit this link. I'm going to be posting it in the description box. I'm connecting my wallet. Click on next. Then the next is to connect your Twitter account. Then click on get it or Sepolia. So the second step is to deposit. So go to deposit stroke redeem. Choose the network you want to use. You have Ethereum, you have Arbitrum, you have Optimism, and you have Polygon. So I'll be using Arbitrum first. Write the amount you want to deposit. Click on deposit. Approve the network. Switch network from Ethereum to Sepolia wallet. Sign in your MetaMask wallet. Confirm the transaction. We'll be waiting for the transaction to be confirmed in the website. So it's trying to confirm. As you're waiting for the transaction to be confirmed, we'll be pasting the Arbitrum contract address to our MetaMask. So you go to your MetaMask wallet, click on import tokens, paste the contact address that you copied. It will be written in the description box. Click on import and it is imported. So you can see the miweETH in your MetaMask wallet. As you are still waiting for the transaction to be confirmed, I want to import the eETH contract address to my MetaMask. So I go to my MetaMask again, scroll down to Sepolia network, click on import tokens, paste the eETH contract address, click on import and confirm. As you can see, the eETH is now imported to my MetaMask. So after importing the eETH to my MetaMask, I'm going to deposit to the other network. So here I'm going to deposit to the Ethereum network. You do the same thing you did in the first one. You put the amount you want to deposit. You click on deposit and you wait for the transaction to be confirmed. And the transaction is confirmed. If you look at the screen, you can see where they say import miweETH wallet. So assuming you did not import it before, just like we did before, you can also import it from here. But since I have done it before, there is no need of importing it again because it is already in my MetaMask. The next is to hold your miweETH to earn more Testnet Mito points. Go to my dashboard to see your daily points and your total Mito points. As you can see, my total Mito points is 14 and my daily total is 14. And you can also see where the network that are holding each. Ethereum is 0.1, the Arbitrum is 0.2. The next step is to claim more points. Scroll down to badges and then claim the points. You can see there are a lot of points to claim here. You claim the points that you are eligible for. As you can see, I have claimed the whole points. I've claimed 1,000 points. I've claimed 3,000 points. There are a lot of points to be claimed. As a first mover, you claim 100,000 points. This is your gain for being an early adopter. So you have to acquire as much eETH as possible and convert it to miweETH to be able to do your tax. Check in daily to earn more points. The last but not the least is a bonus step. You can choose to redeem your deposited assets. If you want to redeem your points, go back to deposit and redeem, input the amount you want to redeem, click on redeem and approve. But note that you won't be able to receive Mito points when you redeem your points. You can only receive when you deposit. So this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you got value from this. If you like this tutorial, subscribe to our channel, click on the like button and share the video to others. See you next time.